feel really weird not wearing my glasses and being, having my phone. And there's the TV and TV stand. There's the kitchen. Probably Minnie, because she got sick a little bit ago.
Oh, that's probably Minnie's puke.
Yeah. This is where we're going to put the piggies when Steven gets back with them. That's for Bubbles, and then the table and... Alright, I'll clean it up in a minute. And the kitchen... There's the bathroom. It's kind of small, but we're going to upgrade it here probably in the next year or so, maybe. Hopefully. Okay. We don't have a refrigerator. And this stove is an electric one. We don't have a plug-in for an electric one, so Steven's going to get us a gas stove, hopefully tonight. There's the porch, the back porch, I should say. Yeah, we need kitchen table, chairs, well, just the chairs anyway. I hope. I'm doing a live. I'm showing everybody the house.
Oh, you're doing a live stream?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, stairs. This light, I don't know if we're going to keep it or not.
I actually want to do a live stream on my YouTube channel.
And this is the entryway.
There's Minnie's puke.
Yeah, I know. Let's see it. I'll get it. I'll clean it up in a minute. Just don't step on it or in it. There's our coat closet, I guess. Our shelf that we put up, and our Steven and Hope's nameplate. It's their last name. Mine's still just Whitmore, so because we haven't gotten married and probably won't. Anyways, I'll take you down to the downstairs where the bedrooms are. I'll turn on the hall. And there's the dryer that the seller left us. And the vent. I don't know, we're going to end up probably plugging that up or redirecting it or something. This is Hope's room.
Hello, look at you.
That's a lot bigger than her old room was at the trailer.
My old room was basically an oversized closet.
Yep. And her closet is...
A closet.
Yeah, it's actually a closet. It just needs closet doors. She needs a dresser too.
Yeah.
The utility room, where we're gonna have the washer. And once we get a washer anyway, hot water heater. And behind the shelving that we got here is the furnace.
I am a Pikachu again.
And there's the entry for the furnace. We could actually put a bathroom and second bathroom down here, which we may do later on down the line. I don't know.
Yes, I know I'm following you.
Yes, I know. And then here's our bedroom. And this is what really bothers me. Watch out, Hope. I had to almost close the door to turn the light on. Anyways, we have, oh, stop, please.
Okay, I'll stop.
This is our closet, which is kind of bigger than, well, kind of bigger, kind of smaller than what we had at the trailer. However, it does have doors. Our closet at the trailer didn't. There's our bed, the window, the one window we have. I didn't realize there's a vent up there.
Me neither. Weird.
So, these are the Ethan Allen entertainment cabinet, bookcase, whatever you want to call them. And we're going to get our third one that goes with it and probably put the third one upstairs. Oh, get your Pikachu. Okay. And the third one matches that one.
And apparently, one of my pairs of pants.
Yeah, it's one that has a hole in it, Hope. I'm going to make it into either shorts or something for you for summer.
Okay.
So, alright. Will you turn this light off behind the door? I'm going to go back upstairs and walk around a little more. Yes, hi, Bear.
Woof.
Hi, puppy dog.
Woof.
So good, doggy. Alright, stairs.
Mom, you stuck in my piercing.
Oh, I'll get it. Our front door, we're going to replace the front door. Because we don't need a doggy door.
Yeah.
We're going to have
really
the dog
unnecessary.
go outside, out back. We need doors for the closet, the coat closet and stuff. We're going to put up our pictures and stuff too.
Yep.
Meow, kitty. And again, the kitchen, for two little mini fridges stacked up on each other. And I'm still unpacking, so it's going to be a little while. We have curtain rods that we got the other night. They all match up here. And one in our bedroom, I think, matches these, and then Hope's is different because they didn't have any more matching ones that matched these. So she's going to be the only one that's different, I think, or vice versa.
What are you talking about, Mom?
The curtain rods. I think the curtain rods that are in your bedroom are different than what we have.
I'll go check, okay?
Okay. And then, like I said a little while ago at the beginning of the video, or live, this is where the guinea pigs are going to go. Minnie goes over there on the deep freezer for now, and then we have a desk that matches that topper for the desk, and that's going to go here for the big pigs' cages. And then over here in this corner, we're going to have a reading area with
my curtain rods are different.
Okay.
A little bit.
We're going to have a reading area here with probably a bookshelf and a little chair. So, and then I'm going to show you the bathroom again. Bathroom. We're going to get a new vanity, a medicine cabinet eventually, because that's definitely not enough room for all of our bathroom stuff. Plus, we're going to get probably shelving or one of those stands for the toilet, over the toilet. So, it's kind of small, but we're also talking about getting or making the utility room downstairs into a half bath. Like a toilet and sink, at least. So, anyways, the lower part of the house is all carpeted. New carpet. He put new carpeting in. And then up here is laminate. So, we got to get area rugs. And we have a dishwasher, but I don't know if it works yet. I gotta check it out and see if it works. And if it doesn't, we'll get a newer one. So yeah, that's about what's going on. We're also talking about getting one of those over the stove microwaves that go underneath the cabinets up there, and hopefully matching ones, so we'll see. Hope, stop, please. Stop.
Okay.
This is not your video, it's mine.
I know.
You make your own video of the house if you want to, when you get the phone again. Yeah, our microwave's over there for right now. That's all we're using to heat food up with. And hopefully Steven will get a gas stove tonight and get it here and hook it up so I can start cooking real food again.
Mom, I'm not going to make a
So.
live stream until Christmas, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
And I don't know, we're probably going to get an area rug for the piggy and the reading area, as well as the living room area, and maybe the dining room area. So, kind of big area rugs that we've got to find money to purchase. So, and then we've also got surround sound stereo that's we're gonna situate and put up. That's one of the speakers. And the other one's over here with part of the surround sound speakers. And the receiver and whatnot is here on the coffee table for now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for what we got now. We're still holding on to, or we still have, I should say, a dresser for Steven in storage, along with that other bookshelf from Ethan Allen's. And then also we have a 500-pound or more generator that he wants to bring out here in storage. In case the power goes out, we have a generator. So, yeah, he's real big on prepping in case something happens. So, but anyways, I thought I'd do a live video and show you guys the inside. I hope you like it, and I will do another one when we get the pictures and everything set up and put away. Yep. Comment if you are watching live or replay. Maybe do like a hashtag replay if you watch it after I end the video.
Yep.
So let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.